What is up, everybody? So, I haven't posted in a minute, but we're going bear hunting, and I will be shooting. My friend Braxton and Jared will be there, and yeah, it's gonna be lit. We're gonna leave at 5 there, and I'll catch up on you guys later. See ya. All right, so we got the crossbow set up and pointing at the bait. Me and Braxton in the blind, waiting. Braxton, you're supposed to be watching for the bears, not playing on your phone. Here's the bear. He's a big sucker. This is the bear we was trying to go after, but no show last night.